There is a lot of things to speak about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Very few people know him by his full name as he was mostly addressed as the Missile Man of India. In today's video, we will learn more facts about him. So let's start the video. Hello everyone, this is Preeti Sejwal. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will study about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This video is for the B.Ed second year students and the paper name is Knowledge and Curriculum. Unit 1st, subunit is C. So let's start the video. So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, full name is Avul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. This may ask you in the exam for MCQs. So, you have to remember his name, that is Avul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam. Okay. So, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam he was a scientist, engineer, professor, author, president and a good human being. Next one. Let's see his inventions. First, satellite launch vehicle SLV. Third, second one is Project Devil and Project Valiant. Third one is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV and SLV third projects. Fourth is the Agni and the Prithvi. These four were his inventions. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam became the 11th President of India on 25th July 2002. What is knowledge? Knowledge makes you great. What you will carry with you after your completion of education and training in various subjects? Yes, that is knowledge. Abdul Kalam message to all. First message is aim in life. Second, acquiring the knowledge. Third is hard work. And the fourth is perseverance. If you want to success in life, then these four steps you have to follow. That is aim in life, acquiring the knowledge, hard work and perseverance. Education gives you wings to fly. Education gives you wings to fly. Achievement comes out of fire in our subconscious mind that I will win. So each one will have wings of fire. The wings of fire The wings of fire will indeed leads to knowledge which will make you to fly as a doctorate or an engineer or a scientist or a teacher or a political leader or a bureaucrat or a diplomat, or you would like to walk on the moon and Mars or anything you want to be. I would like to assert that no youth today need to fear about the future. The ignited mind of the youth is the most powerful resource on the earth, under the earth and above the earth. Here I want to mention you that education according to Kalam. This question will come in the exam for 5 marks. Means they will ask you to write short note on education according to Kalam or justify or explain education according to Kalam. So you have to write these key points and elaborate these key points in your own words. So then only you will get the full marks. So let's see the points. Give aim at the right age. Teacher as a family friend. Teacher loving teaching. Teacher radiates knowledge. Teacher empowers the student with moral science. Youth has the power of ideas, enthusiasm and ability. Let's see the next one. It is in continue form. Education according to Kalam. Education generates knowledge. Knowledge is modern tool of growth and development. It plays significant role in the contemporary age. It prepares an individual to achieve the desired destinations of empowering intellectual capacities, molds individuals' innate worthy qualities of personality into utility skill accepted and needed by our societies. The dimension of education. Education as an investment for economic growth of the nation. Education for social development. Education for making knowledge society. Education for producing empowered citizens. Education for preserving moral and spiritual values. Education for competing with technological world. Education for holding the position at international level. Education to fight against corruption. Education for peaceful coexistence. Education for initiation in every field of life. So, in this, they will ask you what are the dimensions of education given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So, this will also come in exam for 5 marks. So, here also you have to elaborate the points. These are key points and you have to elaborate in your own words. Knowledge makes you great, that we have seen in previous slide only. There are 3 components of knowledge, that is creativity, rightness and courage. Let's see one by one. What is creativity? Creativity, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. This was about the creativity. Let's see what is righteousness. Where there is a rightness is the heart. There is beauty in the character. When there is a beauty in the character, there is a harmony in the home. When there is a harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is an order in the nation, there is a peace in the world. Let's see the third one, that is courage. What is courage? Courage to think different, courage to invent, courage to travel into an unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible, courage to combat the problems and succeed are the unique qualities of the youth. As a youth of my nation, I will work and work with courage to achieve success in all the missions. So these were the 3 components of knowledge, that is what we have seen. First one is creativity, second one is righteousness, and the third one is courage. All 3 are the components of knowledge. Let's see the next one. This is the thought, or we can say quote, given by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He says, dream is not what you see in sleep, is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. Thank you for watching the video.